We will see a problem on sheet of charge. The problem is like this. Three infinite uniform sheet of charge are located in free space as follows. One is at z is equal to minus 4 and the surface density is 3 nanocoulomb. Another is at z is equal to 1 and the surface density is 6 nanocoulomb. And third one is at z is equal to 4 and the charge density is 8 nanocoulomb, and we have to find the electric field at the point PA, PB, PC and PD located at different points. Okay, so as per the question, we have three sheets. Each sheet is having its own charge density and they are located parallel to xy direction, and at z is equal to minus 4, z is equal to 1 and z is equal to 4. If z is equal to 4, it indicates x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. It indicates they are parallel to the parallel to x and y direction, are present at xy direction. So for that reason, three plates are there. One plate is at z is equal to 4, another plate is at z is equal to 1 and third plate is present at z is equal to minus 5. Okay, now we want to find the electric field density at these points. First we will go for one point, that is PA. Okay, so there is an electric field density formula given by rho s divided by 2 epsilon into an. Rho s is also constant, 2 and epsilon is also constant. An, it indicates the unit vector in the direction perpendicular to the sheet. So if I consider the direction perpendicular to the sheet, so sheet is present in xy direction, so the perpendicular to xy direction is z direction. Either the field may be present in positive z direction or it is present in the negative z direction. So we have to find the this unit vector, either it is plus az or it is minus az. Remaining all are constant. Okay, so now let us consider a point PA at 2 comma 5 comma minus 5. 2 and 5 is x and y. Because it is parallel to xy, we can neglect x and y values. Only we have to see the z value. Here the point is present at z is equal to minus 5. Z is equal to minus 5 means below this minus 4, that is the point z is equal to minus 5 is present below all the three sheets, because one sheet is at minus 4, another sheet is at z is equal to 1 and another sheet is present at z is equal to 4. So the point what we are considered is present below all the three sheets. Okay, so the az value, the electric field value what we are getting, so this electric field value will move, electric field will move in the direction of z in negative direction, that is in negative z direction the field moves, because our point is present at below all the three. Okay, so the electric field will have to move in negative z direction. So for that reason, az or an in for this field is minus az. So for 3 nanocoulomb the an value is minus az, for 6 nanocoulomb is also minus az, and for minus 8 nanocoulomb is also minus az, because all the sheets are present above the point. So now we will put these values in an expression 3 nanocoulomb by 2 epsilon naught into minus az, because an here is minus az, plus 6 nanocoulomb divided by 2 epsilon into minus az, minus 8 nanocoulomb is the value of the surface density, divided by 2 epsilon naught into minus az. So after simplifying, we will get the value minus 56.5 into az. Similarly, we will go for another point PB. PB is present at a value z is equal to minus 3. So 4 and 2 are x and y values. We can neglect them. Here we have to select the z value. Z is present at minus 3. So z is equal to minus 3 means it is present above one plate and below other two plates, because the last plate is present at z is equal to minus 4 and the point they have given is present at z is equal to minus 3. So for that reason, our point is present below two plates and above one plate. So it is present above 3 nanocoulomb plate and below 8 nanocoulomb and 6 nanocoulomb plate. So for that reason, an for AN due to 3 nanocoulomb is plus AZ, and AN due to 8 nanocoulomb and 6 nanocoulomb is minus AZ. So this AN value for 3 nanocoulomb at Z is equal to minus 4 is equal to plus AZ, and AN for other two which are present at Z is equal to 1 and Z is equal to 4 is minus AZ. After substituting these values, so here everything is same, only AZ values differs. After substituting, we will get this as an answer. We will go for another point. The third point is present at minus 1, minus 5, 2. At Z is equal to 2 it is present. Z is equal to 2 means a point where which comes above two plates, above 3 nanocoulomb plate and 6 nanocoulomb plate, because your 6 nanocoulomb is present at Z is equal to 1, and the point what we want to observe is present at Z is equal to 2. So above the two plates our point is there, and below one plate. So AZ, that is AN for two plate is positive and third plate is negative. So the 3 nanocoulomb is also positive, okay, and for minus Z is equal to 1 is also it is positive at 6 nanocoulomb, but Z is equal to 1 also positive, but due to the upper plate which is present at Z is equal to 4, it is minus AZ. Okay, after substituting we will get this as an answer. And last one, the last point is present at minus 2, 4, 5. So that is Z is equal to 5. At Z is equal to plus 5, our point of observation is present. So at Z is equal to plus 5, which is above all the three plates. So it is above all the three plates. So for that reason, AN value for this is equal to 1. So AN value for all the three plates is equal to 1. So it is equal to plus AZ, not 1, it is equal to plus AZ. So at 3 nanocoulomb is also AZ, 6 nanocoulomb also AZ, at 8 minus 8 nanocoulomb also AZ, because our point of observation is present above all the three plates. So our electric field moving in the positive Z direction. After substituting this, we will get this as an answer. Okay, hope you understood.